Okay, Charles, this is a quick video on how you made your logo. It's just a standalone package, and I did pull in the specific font. It's worth noting that this needs to run in XE LaTeX as opposed to PDF LaTeX in order to be able to pull in these fonts correctly. This is just a code that GPT wrote for you to bring in those fonts. Here you've got the blue that you're currently using for your logo, and then my strategy, because when you go to try to cut out the inner image, let me show you that. Here's the inner image, and there's a sigma in here that's in a blue that's just slightly different. You may even be able to see it in there. I can barely see the difference. There's a sigma there, and so I found that it's best to have these two, the sigma or whatever you are putting into the logo that you want to cut out. I found that it's best to have it close to the color, otherwise you end up with strange blurring and excess colors when you try to cut out certain colors. So these should be close. So then you can go ahead and compile this. That brings up our PDF. So what do we do next? The next thing we're going to do with the logo is we're going to go to the command prompt wherever we generated it, and you have previously installed something called Magick that allows you to do document conversion and some sort of manipulation of individual pixels. I think I'm not quite sure how it all works. So I have put for you a Magick command. By the way, it's spelled G-I-C-K for the spelling there. Oops, and it looks like I forgot to put it in. That's okay. Let me grab the, let's see if I've got the most recent command. I don't. So let's just take this command here from ChatGPT. We'll insert it. Problem is, I think as soon as I hit, well, no, that worked. So now I'm going to come over here. I like the density to be 600. That's dots per square inch. 600 looks better. Change the fuzz to 0%. That's the best I've had working. And then here's where you tell it to make transparent whatever color you have here. So if you go back to our LaTeX, you can see that this is the blue I want to keep. This is the blue that I want to cut out. That you don't want to make this fuzzy too big, otherwise you'll cut out both the blue you want to remove and the blue that's already there. So we're doing fuzz at 0, but you may want to play with that. So I'm going to change this to 1. If you, oops, so that color was this color right here. That's hexadecimal. And we want Control V. Looks like we want the quote here, and there's the number sign, and that ought to do it. Okay, so just going through that command again. Magick is the operation command for this program. You had to install something called Ghostwriter or Ghost, something like that in addition. There's the density. This is the name of the output. This is that fuzz factor when you're about to do this operation of making transparent this color right here. And you can see that it's going to, sorry, I said output. This is the input logo, and the output is logo.png. And then you need to simply hit enter, and it will have created that PNG. I then typically copy the PNG from here and copy it into wherever I'm storing my images. Hope this helped. Good luck.